Here's Lewis at the par 3 ninth, the ninth par 3, Dalrey. So there, can he make it? Over the gate here. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! What a shot! The best of the day, but young man.
Right young Johnny on the tee.
Man on the tee now. There's Johnny from Coatbridge.
Yep.
Can he make a name for himself? Johnny Torrance for the brick. Three off the tee. Yep, oh, it's just turning slightly to the left. Need to wait till we go over and see. Now on the tee. Is there Peter? Let's see what's happening here. Can he make it? Yep. Wind's caught it slightly. Just a bit left. Should be fine. Should be okay. Yep. Well on, Peter. Well on.
Next on the tee from Kazakhstan, Bob Cadell. Hey Johnny, how you doing? Here he is, the hacker.